What's going on, fellas? Welcome to another episode of Drone Maverick. I'm your host, Ricky Burrows. If you're losing the video feed on your FATSHARK goggles after 100 yards, it just completely cuts right out and you can't see anything, first thing you need to do is take your drone and connect it to a micro USB cable. Plug that into your computer. So you want to open up Betaflight and go all the way down to your video transmitter. This is where the problem lies. I have the FATSHARK Attitude V5 goggles, and it's set to race band, not FATSHARK, and it's also set to 25 milliwatts instead of 100 watts. Now what I like to do is I also like to select the channel that it works on. Some people say that channel 8 works the best. So far so good, I like it, so we're just going to leave it at that. And we're going to go hit save. Now let's take a look at that video feed. Alright, so here we go. We're at 100 milliwatts, and that's the only thing that we changed. We changed it from race band to FATSHARK, 100 milliwatts, channel 8. And you'll notice how there's a little bit of distortion. That's because there's a microwave tower not too far away. So this problem is solved as long as I stay away from the direction of like the microwave tower. You can clearly see that this is really not going to be an issue as long as the battery has a good charge on it. I've actually found that out too, that if your battery's not fully charged, you're going to lose some video feed. But from what you saw earlier, that has nothing to do with the main problem, which was selecting 25 milliwatts to 100 milliwatts and from race band to FATSHARK. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. If this has been really helpful to you, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Ricky Burrows. Thank you for tuning in to Drone Maverick, and I'll see you on the next video.